Hi, welcome to Win8 App Dev. Today I'm going to show you how to use the developer's image resizer tool. It's a great tool for application developers. It will save you a lot of time, and let me show you just how it will do that. But first, let me tell you. So as you can see here, it generates your Windows 8 icons, your Windows 8 promotional images, and your Windows Phone icons. And then you have an option to put your own custom size in there. It converts images or icons into 10 different file types. So for Windows 8 icons, you have 4 different images here: the logo, store logo, small logo, and splash screen. And this is what's required by the Windows 8 store when you're submitting an application. Not only does this tool actually resize your images into these sizes, but it will also name them logo, store logo, small logo, splash screen. And for those of you that do develop applications, you know how much of a hassle it is to resize each image one by one and then have to go and rename it. So Windows 8 promo images, what these are, this is just in case the Windows Store decides to spotlight your app. You have to have at least one of these images submitted, otherwise there's no chance of your app being spotlighted, because this is how they actually feature your app, by using one of these images. Okay, for Windows Phone, you actually have your application icon, your flip cycle tiles, your iconic tiles, and then the 2 store images, which is the 1000 by 800 megapixels and the 300 by 300. I think the 1000 by 800 is the this 300 by 300 I believe is the mandatory one, and the other one is just an extra, but it's always good to have the 1000 by 800 one submitted also. Okay, over here you can create a folder to save these images to. So as I've shown you, these up here are already predefined sizes, and for everybody else that wants custom sizes, you can enter it here. And developers will be, of course, using PNG, and everybody else can use whatever file type they want if you're just resizing your own images. So this resizer, it also handles either single or multiple images at once, or icons, or you can use it as a batch image processor and process multiple folders at the same time. So let me actually show you how it's done. Okay, let's do this. So if you want to choose multiple images, you just click on them and they all show up at the bottom. And I know these are all the same image. That's because these are my phone icons, so they're all the same image, different sizes. So I'm not going to resize all of these. I'll just do one. Let's see. and we hit open, and as you can see, the image shows up here. And let's select some sizes. Name the folder, and now we click generate. So now we choose where this folder will be stored or saved to. So I'm going to choose the desktop, click on choose folder, click OK. So now let's see if it's actually on the desktop. So it showed up right here. Okay. So as you can see, we've got a 200 by 200, a second 200 by 200. That's because I actually had two of the same image saved at the beginning. So this is image 1, image 2, image 1, image 2 for each of the sizes that I chose. So I think the 200 by 200 was the custom size. The 300 by 300 is the Windows Phone store size, that it's the mandatory size that's required. And then you've got the application icon, 1 and 2, flip cycle tile medium, flip cycle tile small, small logo, store logo. So as you can see, these are actually named for you, so it really saves you the hassle of having to go back and resize and then rename. And I think that it's just wonderful because it saves me lots of time. Okay, and basically processing a folder is the same exact thing. You would just select a folder and then generate the images just like where did that go? Huh. Okay. Anyhow, and then you would just click generate. I'm not going to demonstrate this because I actually don't have any multiple folders with images that I care to resize right now, but it's the exact same thing as opening a file as what I showed you, except you click on open folder instead of open files and you resize the whole folder. So thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial will be helpful.